ओके
सर इसमें एक चीज मैं ऐड कर दूं।
अच्छा आप
जैसे अभी एस्टोनिया का याद है, कोई 2-3 महीने पहले कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ, एस्टोनिया का शायद याद होगा, हमारे साथ मेरे बता सकेंगे कि मैसिव अटैक हुआ, पूरे नेटवर्क ब्लॉक कर दिए, डाउन कर दिए। दैट इज साइबर टेररिज्म। तो इसको आप देखिए, दिस इज ऑब्वियसली कवर्ड अंडर द एंटी टेररिज्म।
एक तो ये है, इसमें तो सब एक, इसमें तो कोई डिसएग्रीमेंट नहीं है, इसमें तो नहीं है
कि एस्टोनिया में जो हुआ था
साइबर स्पेस में जो कुछ हो रहा है, साइबर टेररिज्म एक बहुत ज़्यादा लार्ज पॉपुलेशन सेगमेंट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन को कर रहे हैं रही। इसके अलावा ये कि फिजिकल हैकर साइबर से कुछ नहीं था। तो अगर आपको याद हो तो एक हफ्ते पहले मैंने हल्की सी वो लिंक जो है वो उसको भेजी थी याहू पे, वो ये कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका का जो इलेक्ट्रिक ग्रिड है वो किसी ने हैक करके उसको ब्लॉक कर दिया था और उनको रोकना मुश्किल हो गया था, उसमें आग लग गई। और उसके नीचे स्पेसिफिकली उन्होंने ये लिखा था, इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ साइबर टेररिज्म। आप एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल रोक सकते हैं, जहाज क्रैश कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे आपकी ट्रेन चल रही है वहाँ पे आपकी फिजिकल इंजरीज होंगी। ये मैं इस तरह के इंस्टेंसेस हैं, आपने जाके एक्सेस किया किसी हॉस्पिटल के उसको और वहाँ पे आपने प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बदल दी, किसी डायबिटिक को ग्लूकोज लगा दिया, वो मर गया, एक अजाब आप खड़ा कर सकते हैं। आप डैम्स के वो गेट्स खोल सकते हैं, बंद कर सकते हैं, पावर हाउसेस खराब कर सकते हैं। इसका इम्पैक्ट कौन सी
एक सेकंड आप ये कह रहे हैं, अनवर साहब ये कह रहे हैं कि through the access to computer systems you can cause catastrophic events which may or may not result in human injury or human death. Even if they do not result in human death, still it is cyber terrorism or still it is cyber terrorism. ठीक है.
अगर death होगी तो सजा वही होगी जो PBC.
Now Zahid, isn't that your concept as well? Isn't that your concept or understanding as well? कि cyber terrorism. I'm not talking about the definition here. I'm just talking about the conceptual understanding. कि cyber terrorism is the access to computer systems or what have you to cause, let us say, catastrophic events, मैं English language इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, which may or may not result in human death and injury. Would you agree with that, sir?
Okay. That is one aspect of that.
Okay, what is another aspect?
Another aspect is just one thing. Taking cyber terrorism is a vast area. It's like spamming. Spamming की हमने एक section में define करने की कोशिश की है. Spamming, cyber terrorism, these are vast areas. These are not particular sections. You can't get a section about them. You have to cover them in plenty. That is why they have that unless how realized एक ही section थी, देखा यार एक section में कैसे होगी, तो हमने you have to then go to terroristic acts, then you have to go to terroristic intent, you have to cover various other offenses. In fact, cyber terrorism अगर आप इसको पढ़ें और ABCDE देखें, तो उसमें actually हमने 4 अलग किस्म के offenses, different types of things जो लोग कर सकते हैं, उनको भी cover किया हुआ है. So it's an area. It's not one single section. Number one. Number two. Is cyber terrorism something that hasn't been existed in the rest of the world? Why are we coming up with unique definitions? After all, we're going to have to cooperate with people abroad. Cyber terrorism is not defined in the Council of your convention. Can't we find something and can't we constantly, every time we look at a definition over here, or constantly look to and point to some other legislation where this is done, यानी किसी से conform करता है?
Okay, next let's go to West.
ऐसा दूसरी बात है ना इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन जो आपने दिया है, एक तो ये बात हो गई, फिर आप कह रहे हैं ट्रांसमिशन explanation 2B or attempted transmission of a harmful program with the purpose of substantially disrupting or disabling any computer network operated by the government or any public entity. तो मेरे कंपनी ने क्या अफसोस किया, उसमें कवर नहीं है. पब्लिक एंटिटी तो मैं नहीं बोला, मैं तो प्राइवेटली हेल्ड एंटिटी. So it is a limiting definition as well. I mean, you are protecting the government, but it could be a commercial enterprise. Private enterprise हो सकती है. Terrorism can be against commercial interest. It could be against private interest.
आप include करना चाह रहे हैं?
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि it's not comprehensive.
You want to include your private sector also?
Because terrorism can be against any entity, person, commercial, industrial, government.
Okay, point is taken, and you're batting 2 for 2. Plus, second point is taken. Now, Samal Sari.
I'm actually not batting. I just want to exit because of meeting.
Yes, sir.
But there are a few things आप की जिस वजह से शायद हमें भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है समझने में. शायद अंग्रेजी का टर्म हम इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं समझने के लिए. एक लफ्ज़ है attempting और एक है intent. These are such nebulous terms that if somebody in the English term, if I'm just Googling, I go to Google, and suppose the FIA is after me, and they can monitor what I'm doing, and I am doing a research, and I do this research on bomb making, so I want to see how many sites there are. My intent is now being questioned, that why am I downloading that? So this question of intent and attempt has to be, it may have a proper legal definition, but intent is something which is probably the most nebulous thing which has frightened me in this law. That's one. When we talk about spoofing, definitions, I couldn't quite follow what Zahid Jamil said, but if he's saying that these definitions are so broad, that if we try and encompass this word, we're going to spoofing. Just let me take one item. Spoofing article. Spoofing article. This is page 64. Whoever establishes a website, now you've become very specific, or sends an electronic message with a counterfeit source intended to be believed by recipient of physical and electronic system through authentic source with intent to gain unauthorized access or obtain valuable information which can later be used for any unlawful purposes, commits the offense of spoofing. Now, this is my problem, that I am now going to go into a technical domain to define something which the lawyers are going to have a nightmare with. I will send you a small virus. It will plant itself in your computer very transparently. It will evade. If it's a 0-day attack, 0-day attack is somebody discovers a vulnerability and that day posts it. There are lots of sites on the internet where you post this thing. It takes about a week or so before people come out and with patches to cover this thing. 0-day attacks your thing. I can send you a virus or a Trojan, which will now sit in your computer, which will create
अपना काम कर
बैठेगा. It will convert your computer into a server. Right? Now, I will log into your computer, and this is an instance which a pirate PIA का था. This is exactly what happened. I will log into your computer, I will go and access a fictitious Hotmail account through your computer. Now, all the track that FIA is going to find through the help of FBI and everybody is going to be an IP address. वो क्या करते हैं? वो आपको IP address देते हैं. IP address अगर वो floating IP address है, आप ISP कहते हैं इस पर ये बंदा लॉग इन था ये अकाउंट. अगर वो नॉर्मल वो है DSL वगैरह पे IP address बहरहाल आप पहुंच जाते हैं. वो IP address में आपके पास पहुंचूंगा. आपके फरिश्तों को खबर नहीं है क्योंकि वो जो ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है, it is not being recorded in your computer, right? This, my logging into Hotmail is not through your browser, so there is no history being recorded in your computer. I can destroy you completely and then log off. There is no way in hell that you will be able to prove your innocence because there is nothing in your computer. They can't prove it against you. I am doing spot free. This is spoofing. Now this is not defined. The minute you say website, you have limited it so drastically. And I just created this you wanted examples. Actually, examples देना शुरू करें तो I have this pages, all of them are black with examples. The issue जो हम सबको ये हो रहा है ना, I think basically I must explain to my colleagues as well. The process of drafting laws in the government is, especially such laws, is very difficult. You've got to compromise. It's not that our Vakil Sahab here is, he doesn't know his job, but when he has gone, he has got to compromise. FIA बैठेगा, PTA बैठेगा, ISI बैठेगा, everybody will have the two pennies worth. He will come out with a compromise document which may not be what he wants at the end, right? However, he has gone through this process. Now, why they're insisting on addressing this rather than writing up something afresh is my 3 years worth of penal labor in the ministry. Is modifying this is easier than starting afresh. They can go back and say, जी हमने इसको दोबारा किया था, इसके अंदर ये जो है ना ये छोटे से amendments हैं और ये consensus value से आए. Now having said that, आपकी वकालत करने के बाद गुजारिश आपसे ये है कि जिस वजह से ये गोल-गोल घूम रहा है ना, is because you've only given a printed copy. Now if we can have a Word document and insert under this Word document whatever आप